Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Easy Cash for Ads video, I want to talk about how to build a buyer's list within Easy Cash for Ads and how you can advertise your offer 24 hours, 7 days a week. It's going to be completely automated and you'll be advertising to buyers. So I want to explain step by step exactly how that works. First of all, let me show you how much it would cost you, how valuable a buyer's list is. So I'm in Udemy here, and if I go on to solo deals, you'll see in Udemy that these sellers renting out their lists. You'll see here buyers lists, top hungry buyers, this one here, buyers list. So they're renting out their list for 60 cents per click. Now, if I go down here and I use this scroller here in Udemy, if I wanted to buy 200 clicks, then that would cost me $123. And that's a one-off payment and a one-off solo ad run. So the value you're going to get, you can build your own buyers list. You don't have to, once you start to build it up, you don't have to start renting other people's buyers lists. Start to build your own by placing your advert inside of Easy Cash for Ads, your own lead capture page. Every single person that joins Easy Cash for Ads is a buyer, and they will go onto your list when you advertise your squeeze page inside the back office of Easy Cash for Ads. So they give you some tips here on how it works. Every person, so they log in 50% of the time that they log in, they will see an advert for 25 seconds, and that can be your squeeze page. And Easy Cash for Ads has been going now for 5 years. It has hundreds of thousands of members, and then for the first 2 weeks, they see your advert when you refer them, and after that, then your squeeze page is promoted to hundreds of thousands of members around the world, and every single one is a buyer. They give you lots of little tips here on how to advertise. They recommend a lead capture page or a 25-second video page. They also talk about having it above the fold, which means the bottom line on the screen here is called the fold. So don't have a really long sales page, because people will only see that sales page once. The idea is to capture the information, and then that's it, you're capturing information from a buyer. And you can change your advert anytime you want. So if you've got lots of different lead capture pages, you can go in at any time and log in, and you can change your lead capture page. So I think a lot of people just look at Easy Cash for Ads as an income opportunity, and it's a great income opportunity. We show you how to get into profit and how to use that profit into paid advertising to scale up a little bit faster if you wish to do so. But I wanted to touch today on the fact that traffic is 24/7. It's a one-off traffic payment, so you're not going to be buying solo ads. When you build up your buyers list, you're going to have your own buyers list. You don't have to buy as many solo ads. You can promote any offer you want to your buyers. And we also give you a success guide with Easy Cash for Ads, which video tutorials that take you everything step by step. We show you how to get set up. We've got a little funnel here that you can promote any of your offers. These are all free to join. So if you use our funnel here, then we show you how to turn one income stream with Easy Cash for Ads into six income streams with this funnel. I'm not going to go into great detail on that today because I've done lots of other videos. I'll pin a playlist to the top comment below this video, and you can see more videos in my playlist on that. So today was really more about showing you the traffic aspect of Easy Cash for Ads, not just an income opportunity, but a really great 24/7 automated traffic source where you're advertising to buyers. So if you want to join our team, there'll be a link in the description, and there'll be no monthly membership costs for EasyCash4ADS. It's a one-time payment for the opportunity side, but also, like I've discussed today, the traffic side, advertising to 100% proven buyers, and a great opportunity to build your own buyers list if you're a list builder. And if you're not a list builder, then I recommend that you do start to build a list, because that's how a way you can start to really leverage and make money online a lot quicker and easier. The Done For You 5 income stream funnel and success guide are totally free if you join our team. How to get set up correctly, step-by-step guide for you. I'll give you one-to-one mentoring, and we've created a Facebook group with additional training and support if you're looking to build a long-term business with EasyCash4ADS. If you've enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. That will help support me on my YouTube journey, so I'd appreciate that. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for my new videos. I do several new videos now every single week, and there's currently 400 videos now on the channel. I talk a lot about the core fundamentals of making money online, tools, traffic and training. So like in today's video was all about traffic and how to get automated buyer traffic to your offer. So lots of different tips and tricks on there. I show a proof of what's working for me, and we have free and paid options for tools and traffic. We've also talked about list building as well. So today again was a little bit of a list building video, and I've got some social media videos, how to build a YouTube channel. So we've got playlists as well. I've created lots of playlists because people like to look at playlists, and all my previous videos, they can scroll through a playlist and pick out the ones that they like. So this EasyCash4ADS reviews playlist will be pinned to the top comment below this video if you want to have a look there and see some of my other videos on EasyCash4ADS. If you've got any questions on EasyCash4ADS, then please put those in the comments below and I'll answer those for you. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.